Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best camera backpack on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the K&F Concept Camera Backpack, highlighting why it's perfect for photographers. Let's get started. Product features. Customizable 3-layer compartment. Organize your gear effortlessly with top, middle, and bottom sections. Store drones or clothes on top, cameras and lenses in the middle, and flashes plus accessories at the bottom. 180-degree front opening zipper. Easily access your gear with a full 180-degree front zipper. Quickly retrieve cameras, lenses, or accessories without rummaging, saving time and keeping your workflow smooth. Dual side and front access. Additional side and front openings make grabbing equipment even faster, perfect for photographers on the move who need instant access without opening the entire backpack. Laptop compartment. The dedicated sleeve fits laptops up to 16 inches, keeping your digital workspace safe. Carry your editing gear alongside your camera equipment in one organized backpack. Lightweight comfort design. Includes a lightweight waist belt to distribute weight evenly. This reduces strain during long photo shoots, hikes, or travel, making it comfortable to carry for extended periods. Detachable front straps. Attach tripods, light stands, or extra gear using the detachable front straps. Expand your carrying capacity without compromising interior space. Perfect for outdoor or adventure photography. Travel-ready versatility. Designed for travel and outdoor photography, it stores personal items securely while providing quick access to essentials. Ideal for photographers seeking organization, comfort, and convenience. Pros: customizable compartments, 180-degree front access, dual side/front openings, laptop sleeve, comfortable waist belt, detachable straps, travel-ready versatility. Cons: slightly heavier when fully loaded, may feel bulky for minimal gear users. Final thoughts. The K&F Concept Camera Backpack combines smart organization, comfort, and quick access features in one stylish, durable package. Perfect for photographers who want convenience and security while on the go. Don't miss out on this ultimate camera backpack. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Cool Product for more amazing tech and photography gear.